Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to create a restaurant table reservation using the Quiz and Survey Master plugin. Okay, so I have already created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP to create a table reservation form. It is one of the finest platforms to create a disposable WordPress website to test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick disposable WordPress website in no time. So let's get started. I have already installed the QSM plugin on the website. To learn how to install and configure QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Okay, so let's start by creating an application form. 1. The first step is to hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Once you click on Create a Quiz or Survey, the first thing we see is to select a theme for the quiz. QSM has a collection of stunning new themes, but for now, let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Okay, moving on to the third step, now on Quiz Setting, we get an option for the initial setup of our form. Let's set a name for the form and select what kind of form we are using. You can set up time limit on your form if required, and you can also select if you wish to show your reservation form only to the logged in users. Step 4, now comes the add-ons section, where we get to see the most used or popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your form, quizzes, and surveys. Currently, we don't need any add-ons, so let's click on Create Quiz. And lastly, here comes the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for our table reservation form. Let's start by entering some questions into our form. Okay, so with the first one, let's ask our users about the reservation date they are looking for. After entering the question, you can choose the type of question on the right-hand side. In this case, I am taking the date type question here. If you want, you can mark the question as required so that the question can be skipped. Then, click on Save Question once you're done. Now, since our first question is saved, let's click on Create New Question at the bottom of the Questions tab. For the second question, we'll ask our users to select the desired reservation time. In this question, we will be selecting the short answer type of question. Okay, so once you've filled the question, we then click on Save Question. Now let's move on to the next question by clicking on Create New Question. In this question, we want to ask our users the kind of reservation are they looking out for. Let's create this drop-down question so that our users can select the suitable answer amongst the given choices. And then let's click on Save Question once you're done. And for the last question, we have to inquire about the total head counts. So let's select the number type of question so the user could enter the number of head counts. Now, since all the questions are saved, let's set up a contact field to collect the details of the applicants. To do so, let's click on Add New Field, and then let's select the field type as a small open answer and label it as Full Name. And then, let's select the Use For section and select the name there. The next thing to do is to add another contact field to take the email address. To do so, let's select the field type as Email and label it as Email Address. And then, let's select the Used For section and select Email there. Let's add the last contact field to take a contact number. To do this, let's select the field type as Small Open Answer and label it as Phone Number. And then, let's select the Used For section and select Phone there. And for the last step, let's click on Save Contact Field. Awesome! Now our questions for the form is set and the contact field is configured to collect the user details. Let's take a quick preview of our application form by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. And as you see, we have successfully created the restaurant table reservation form and it works just perfect. And that's all for this video. Stay tuned for new tips on using the QSM plugin. And until next time, I'll see you again. Stay safe and bye-bye.